In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for construction projects. Whether you're managing a small project or overseeing a large-scale development, Monday.com can streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Let's dive right into how you can leverage this platform for your construction needs. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to register and sign in. This step is pretty straightforward, and you'll be greeted with Monday's intuitive interface. From here, the next step is to create a new board. On the main dashboard, look for a small plus sign either on the left-hand side or within your existing boards. Clicking on this icon will prompt you to create a new board, which is the starting point for organizing your construction project. Once you click that plus sign, you'll see an option to explore the Template Center. This is an incredibly helpful feature because it offers pre-designed templates tailored for specific industries, including construction. Templates are useful because they provide a structured layout that can save you a lot of time. Instead of starting from scratch, you can simply modify an existing template to suit your project's specific needs. So, go ahead and click on the Template Center to proceed. After you're in the Template Center, there's a search bar that will allow you to find templates specific to construction. Simply type in construction to access a variety of templates that Monday.com has curated for this purpose. This search will filter results so that you see only templates that are relevant to construction management projects. It's designed to make your life easier by providing options that are aligned with industry standards and practices. With the templates displayed, take a moment to review them and decide which one best fits your project. Each template comes with various features and structures, so it's worth spending a little time to choose the one that most closely aligns with your workflow or project management style. Once you've chosen your template, click on it, and you will be presented with a detailed overview of what's included. This preview allows you to ensure that this is the right selection for your project needs. After reviewing, you can implement the template by clicking on the Use Template button. Doing so will create a new board within your workspace, pre-populated with the template structure that you chose. From here, you can customize the board further, adding your tasks, timelines, and team members to start managing your construction project more efficiently. So there you have it, a straightforward way to set up Monday.com for construction projects. By utilizing templates, you not only save time, but you also bring structure and clear organization to your project management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building.